Hi guys, today we're going to be working on this Springy reverse waterfall French tip, and my Fan Choice Friday prompt for this week was actually a nude and neon combo as suggested by Matt Peterson, but I don't know, I kind of got a little bit off track, but I still took my inspiration from there, and I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end of the video. But if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with a base coat, I'm going to be using Ready for Takeoff, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. I don't have a lot of actually nude polish. It's just not really one of my favorites, but it doesn't get much more nude than naked, so I'm using my Zoya Naked Pink Perfector, and you could use any kind of French sheer that you like, or you could go ahead and use an actual more opaque nude. For my waterfall, I'm going to be using colors from the Color Club Glow in the Dark Neons. The yellow is Soul Sister. This green is It's Electric. And the blue is Get Down Tonight. And these aren't the brightest neons in my collection, but the glow in the dark has been tempting me since I got them, and I've really been wanting to use them, so I decided to use them for this. And then I'm just going to be using a striper brush to stripe for my tip. Traditionally, waterfalls are at the cuticle, so when I do it from the tip, I just usually call it a reverse waterfall. And yeah, I'm going to start with the yellow, then the green, and then move on to the blue. Now that I've finished the waterfall, I'm going to top everything with Seche Feet. So here's the finished manicure, and as far as being nude and neon, I'm not quite sure that I hit it on the head, but I do still like it. But because I did get a little bit off track, I may revisit that prompt at a later date. But one of the things was that I kind of consciously made the decision not to do a white base. And with most neon polishes, starting with a white base is pretty much a rule of thumb. And I think they'd have been a lot brighter if I did that, but I didn't want to have to basically do two waterfalls and match up the neon waterfall on top of the white waterfall. So I don't know, a little bit of mixed emotions about this, but it did get the grandma seal of approval, which can be kind of tough. She's a very honest critic, and if she doesn't like my nails, she will definitely let me know about it. And I don't really have any tests to show you guys this week, but I would love to hear what you guys think of this, and if you'd like to see me give it another try when I have a little bit more patience, either maybe in these colors or maybe with some of the other neons from the same collection. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching.